In the previous investigation, we learned that formulas are tools for representing the relationship between the values of quantities as they change together. Graphs are tools for representing the same relationship visually. A tub contains 12 gallons of water to start with. Then, additional water is poured into the tub. Let's pay attention to two varying quantities in the situation: the total volume of water in the tub and the volume of water added to the tub. We will let N represent the volume of water added to the tub in gallons, and we will let T represent the total volume of water in the tub in gallons. We can use two line segments whose lengths represent the values of these quantities. For any volume of water added to the tub, the total volume is always 12 gallons more. If we turn one of the line segments and place them end to end, we can use a point to simultaneously represent the values of both quantities. Let's add axes to the graph. These axes help us to see the values of the two quantities. The point can also be labeled with coordinates that show the values of both quantities at any moment. When we trace out all of the points, we get the graph of the relationship between the total volume of water in the tub and the volume of water added to the tub. The graph simultaneously represents all of the possible pairs of values for these two quantities in this situation, while a single point on the graph represents one particular pair. In a similar way, the formula T equals 12 plus N represents the relationship between all of the possible values for both quantities. Substituting specific values into the formula represents one particular pair of values at some moment in time. For each of the points on the graph, we can think about specific pairs of values in the formula. For example, look at the point 16, 28 on the graph. This tells us that when 16 gallons of water have been added to the tub, the total volume of water in the tub is 28 gallons. We can see that these values are also solutions to the formula relating T and N.